Before connecting your second monitor, first verify that your laptop is compatible with your Dell docking station. Modern Dell laptops typically use USB-C, Thunderbolt, or proprietary Dell connectors. Start by powering down your laptop completely. This ensures a safe connection process and prevents any potential hardware conflicts during setup. Connect your Dell docking station to a power source using the included power adapter. Ensure the power adapter provides adequate wattage for both the docking station and all connected devices. Connect your laptop to the docking station using the appropriate cable. For newer models, this is typically a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Ensure the connection is secure and properly seated. Connect your first monitor to the primary display port on the docking station. This is typically a DisplayPort or HDMI port. Use a high-quality cable that matches your monitor's capabilities for optimal performance. Now connect your second monitor to a secondary display port on the docking station. Most Dell docking stations provide multiple display outputs, allowing you to use different port types for each monitor as needed. Follow the correct power-on sequence for optimal setup. First, power on the docking station, then your monitors, and finally your laptop. This sequence ensures proper device recognition and prevents connection issues. Different Dell docking station models offer varying capabilities. The WD-19TBS and WD-22TB4 support Thunderbolt 4 with up to 4K displays at 60 Hz, while the D6000 Universal Docking Station can support up to 3 external monitors using DisplayLink technology. Your dual monitor setup is now physically connected. The direct display connection method provides the most reliable performance. Make sure all cables are securely connected and appropriate for your monitor's capabilities. After connecting your monitors to the Dell docking station, the first step is installing the necessary software. You'll need to install the Dell Display Manager and the docking station drivers for optimal performance. The Dell Display Manager provides powerful tools for managing your multi-monitor setup. The Easy Arrange feature allows you to create custom window layouts and snap windows to predefined zones for improved productivity. Next, configure your display settings in Windows. Press Windows plus P to quickly access display options, or go to Settings and then System and Display for more detailed configuration options. Keeping your graphics drivers updated is crucial for optimal performance. Outdated drivers are the most common cause of display issues. Update them through Device Manager or download the latest versions directly from your graphics card manufacturer. If you encounter issues, here are the most common problems and their solutions. Display not detected usually means driver issues or loose connections. Resolution problems often require checking monitor capabilities. Performance issues typically indicate power or bandwidth limitations. For optimal results, always use Dell-certified cables and keep your docking station firmware updated. Dell Technologies research shows that multi-monitor setups can increase productivity by 20 to 30%, making proper configuration well worth the effort.